Today I'm going to review a feature in the Word. So if you are studying in at any level and you have a coursework coming up, I believe you can use this feature and this can be useful. So what you need to do, it is in Word document. Once you open the Word document, you can go to File, click on Option, and go to Proofing. So in proofing, if you scroll down where you see when correcting spelling and grammar in Word, you can turn on the show readability statistics and click OK. Now, what it does, it will look at the level of your current work and will tell you at what level you are writing, and you can make significant improvement in that case. So let's just take an example. What I asked Bart to give me a very poorly written paragraph. So let's just copy this, come back, paste it in my Word file. And what you need to do is go back to review, click on editor. So once you are in editor, you can make many adjustments. It is going to give you recommendation on corrections, refinement. You can do all these things. You might be interested to look at similarity. I don't do that in here. I use Turnitin for that. But what we are looking at is insights. So if you have the readability statistics on, you can click on this document stats and it will give you a notification that we are calculating the stats for you. For very long documents, this might take a few minutes. Do you want to continue? So we don't have a very long text in this document, so it should be quick. Once you are here, you will get a word count. Right now, this paragraph has 145 words, 669 characters. You have 4 paragraphs, sentences. All of these are here. So you have an average statistics of sentences per paragraph, word per sentences, character per word. But we are more interested about the readability. What it says, according to the Fletch reading ease statistics, you get a 75.6. The higher the rating, the more easier it is for your audience to understand you and understand the meaning of your work. Then it is going to give you the Fletch Kincaid grade level. That means the sentences that you have in here, it is at grade 5 level. And here you have more like 20% of your sentences are using passive sentences. So this is one aspect. Now let's try a little bit more complex writing. So I have another example where I have a bit of, I asked Bart to give me a bit more complex style of writing on the same topic. We are just having it on financial crisis. Now let's see what the readability statistics says in this case. So we are going to ask for the stat again, and it is asking me, do you want to continue? I will click OK. So now if you see that the Fletch reading ease has gone down and your grade level has gone up and the passive sentences are none in this case. So how do you actually use these readability statistics? For this, let's go to the Fletch Reading Ease website. Over here, this website is going to give us the score and the reading difficulty. So if you see, the highest score is indicating any score between 90 to 100, it says it is very easy, and any score between 0 to 30 is very difficult. So uh, here you can see the content with a score of 0 to 30 is much more challenging in understanding, and it is more suited for academic papers. So that's what you have to understand. The easier your text is for audience to read and understand, the lower the level of the grade it is. That means you have a choice to decide what you should emphasize, and look at where you are at this moment. So if you are at university level, you have to try to reach higher level of academic grades. The grading, if we go back to statistics, that means you try to reach higher level in terms of Fletch Kincaid grade level. The readability score, if in that case, will be lower. So there is a negative correlation. The higher the Fletch reading scale is, the lower is your grade. So you have the choice to adjust your writing, but I believe that if you are currently developing an assignment, you are writing a coursework, or you are writing a dissertation, you can always use this to check your writing level, and you can use these statistics to improve your writing style and improve your or enhance your academic writing capability. Hope this is helpful. Uh, Stay tuned, and I'm going to come back with more useful tips. Bye.